Chapter 7 Coordinate Geometry. To start exercise 7.1, question number 4, we need to know some sort of points. For triangle, please remember that when all sides are equal, equilateral triangle, two sides are equal, isosceles triangle, all sides are different, that is scalene triangle. By satisfying Pythagoras theorem, we can prove it is a right triangle. Even for quadrilateral also you need to know all sides are equal and diagonals are equal, it is a square. All sides are equal, diagonals are not equal, it is a rhombus. Opposite sides are equal and diagonals are also equal, rectangle. Opposite sides are equal and diagonals are not equal, that is parallelogram. Now we can start question number 4. They told us to check these 3 points are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. That means question is yes or no. Let A first point, B second one, C third one be the vertices of triangle ABC. Then first find out AB distance. Select A point, A equal to, this is the way of writing, inside the bracket 5, minus 2, B equal to 6, 4. Distance AB you can calculate, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Mark first one by x1, y1, second point by x2, y2. So x2 minus x1, that is 6 minus 5 whole square plus 4 minus plus 2 whole square. This subtraction is coming 1, this is coming 6. So square root of 1 square plus 6 square, that is root 1 plus 36, 37. Square root of 37 units. Now let us take B point and C point. B equal to this, C equal to that. Same distance formula BC, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is 7 minus 6 whole square plus minus 2 minus 4 whole square. There is 1 square, that is minus 6 whole square. So square root of 1 plus 36, it becomes root 37 units. Same way distance AC also you will calculate. Result is coming 2 units. Since AB and BC both are equal to root 37 units, therefore these 3 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. Now to start question number 5, you should observe the question from page number 169. Page number 169. They said in a classroom, one graph is given. 4 friends are sitting at different positions. Champa and Chameli walk into the class. After observing for a few minutes, Champa asks Chameli, "Don't you think that it looks like a square?" Chameli disagrees. By using distance formula, which of them is correct, we are going to calculate. Now, here A 3, 4 from the graph we got that B 6, 7, C 9, 4, D 6, 1 are the given points. Then first find out AB distance. Take A point and B point, calculate AB. Same way, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Square root of 6 minus 3 whole square plus 7 minus 4 whole square. Root 3 square plus 3 square, that is root 9 plus 9. Root 18, that is 332, 3 root 2 units. Same B point and C point, calculate BC. C point, D point, calculate CD. A point, D point, calculate AD distance. All are equal. Now diagonal AC also have to calculate. A point, C point you should calculate. It is coming out 6 units. B point, D point also you can calculate. There also will be getting 6 units. Since all the 4 sides are equal to 3 root 2 units and both the diagonals are equal to 6 units, so ABCD is a square. That means Champa is correct. So hence Champa is correct. Now this question, one more similar you have, similar to this, that is page number 166, example 2, same as question number 5. So you can try that also. Bye.